Family trees. You can trace genetic characteristics through a family by drawing a family tree, which is what we see here in the figure. Family trees show males and females and can be useful for tracking inherited diseases, showing a family likeness, or showing the different alleles people have inherited. Family trees can be used to work out if an individual is likely to be homozygous or heterozygous for particular alleles. When drawing a family tree, we should provide a key or a legend. And when we are reading a family tree, we should first read the key because it's going to provide us with the knowledge that we need in order to understand the family tree. So for example, here we see that the square shapes represent the male individuals, while the circle shapes represent the female individuals. Now this could be referring to anything. Let's assume that it's referring to the fur color of a certain animal, maybe a cat. So the squares and the circles that are white refer to the white males and females, while the squares and circles that are orange refer to the orange males and females. And every time a line is drawn between a male and a female, this means that there was a mating, and from them stem their offspring. So this male, this white male, was mated with this orange female, and they had these sets of offsprings. And the same orange female was mated with another white male, and they had these sets of offsprings.